Hakasin ke Behdienkhlam ke Office u Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills kala shim kasin jam ban penlong da ke iakop thoh na kebenta ki kena pule na duk ke kerdan upper primary hadu higher secondary school halor ke phang Behdienkhlam festival. Ya kini ke iakop la penlong hakashipo terik naitung hapo kiang nang ba government higher secondary school mentong jawai. Ya kinong job la penkup burom ha ka jingelang ka balalong ne ka singtho ding hapo conference room DC office jawai ha ka jingedon lang UMLA ka than uba wailat miki shila u deputy commissioner u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS uba F Pasa assistant commissioner u daloi ka jawai u Puromon Kenjing president senrat jawai u H Toy lambat kiwe. Ha ka jingkren UMLA ula ai khublei kerpang ya u deputy commissioner lambat ka kenhun jong u halor ka jingla ban penlong ya kini ka iakop thoh ka bajob bat ka badeiru ka sin ka Behdienkhlam da ka penpau ya ka benta ka bayadei bat ka jingpene pensa ya ka culture bariuspa jong ka thany rilum jaintia. Ula ban juru ya ka jingdon kam ban bu jingtho ya ki riti dustur jong ka thany bat kentu badei ban yai beteng ban shim ya ki bakum kini ki sinjam. Ula penpau ru ka jingkemen halor ka jingwane shim benta shidrehem jong ki kena school da ka ba shim ba ka dei ka dak ka baha ka ba penpau ya ka jing snu tenat ka banang roi hapdeng ki kena puli. Katba u deputy commissioner ula ai burom ya UMLA ka thany uba wailat miki shila halor ka jingyo i jingai ka jong u halendet ka jing penlong ya kini ka iakop thoh ka bathumu pan kentiu ya ka thoh katar hapdeng ki kena puli haringkat ka jing rakhe ya ka culture jong ka thany. Kinong job ha kini ke iakop thoh ki kentup ya ka Riwanka Pde na government boys higher secondary school ka balawan ha ka kerdan ke Behdienkhlam bat yo ya ka khusnam da ka song pisa ka bashipo hajar tengka ka ar pasa na ka kyang nang ba government higher secondary school ha ka kerdan ka baar bat yo nyo hajar tengka bat ka echwa da ka lamurong na Saint Mary Mazarelo girls higher secondary school ka balawan ha ka kerdan ka balai bat yo ya ka khusnam ka basan hajar tengka.
Because as we know that Behdienkhlam has become our identity of the people of Giant Hills. So I really like to thank our honorable Deputy Commissioner. Since I became MLA, I think this is the first time we have this kind of competition. So I'm really thankful to you and your team for organizing this program. And as you know, Giant Hills is very rich in culture and tradition. So, and as you rightly put in, that we need to record all this in writing. So I think this is the first step. And at the same time, I would like to urge our Deputy Commissioner to continue the same, because there is a lot of places, famous places like Sintuxia, like Natyam, and a lot of folk tours, very famous. So I think by organizing this such kind of competition, which is, I think, the best way to create interest to our young minds. And I'm very happy that within a short time, that almost around, more or less around 200 participants have participated. So this shows the interest they have. So I'm very happy, and I'm looking forward that in the future also that we'll be seeing such kind of competition. And continue nang chance nyasuk pada bagus nyasuk kemandati wano audisi atau bonyo participant ngan murajan boy rekam di kijai program tu pada pendan dan gue interest dan lagi ni penyu ya ka mod kata kajing mo kata mensim yo kinong chong yung ego tip chocho siya komen wa yung yung dalo itu dah kanau insight yung Behdienkhlam wa kamon ke Behdienkhlam to bukan kecap dari kemen ni dan mereka connect ke horok tentang duk kali ni duk sencap dah macam terter unity wa kamu orang tu ikut beliau audisi yo ni karena kamu orang tu dah kejing temu yang nganu duk yung jo engan ni program and right on man ko kam ha to yang lai continue chi khmat le the unity ne ba kanin ko program la la em the phim lo ye chi man ta man meaningful man ko ko chao the na I ku ble ye phi but unity on any chi khmat le you also should come to the program. Jadi ini penting. Once again, I would like to like to thank our honorable Deputy Commissioner and his whole team for organizing this essay competition.
That in order to foster the culture of writing, promoting the local culture is one of the key priority areas of the government as well as of the administration. And at the same time, we came up with the idea that every year like Behdienkhlam is celebrated, why not, let's say, nurture the writing skills which have been forgotten. And that too, when it came up and summed up along with Behdienkhlam, that came out very interestingly. I myself, along with my ADCs and officers, have read the essays of each one of you. And trust me, it is amongst the best that we have. It is beyond my expectations, I can say that. And it makes me so happy that yes, we have a very bright future for all the students of the Behdienkhlam Hills district. And really glad such more initiatives are going to happen under the visionary leadership of our local MLA sir. And thank you all, and we're wishing you all a very happy and a blessed Behdienkhlam. Thank you.
Yang kita yang kita itu benar yang ini, kau yang lain ciro kau kata kata security, ada senjata pada, pelai cina, pelai kau, pelai rai, pelai iman. Ada hukum hukum man, yang kita itu, UM kata kecil burung kalian, kita, kita yap, kita kita kedua alam. Kata tak apa Behdienkhlam, jisi apisnya kita muka jilek niam. Andai mana lagi program yang jilek niam Behdienkhlam sedang duduk naik march. MD niam jual ini benda, bahak kemarian. Yo minyak ko, yo bahak ko. MD jilek niam ini benda bori. Kami ngaberloi, lek yo mandeloi. Tak hak Behdienkhlam, wan beri jilek niam merok pada Mak Behdienkhlam nikah ko, wong tok buat buat kecil yang iki bro, mangkan bor. Hari kecil ini cepat ko dah belai, mau kita berak kan bor. Tapi Behdienkhlam pendek ko iki tok yang iki bro, ke bor berat yang iki bro, ke bor yang belai, yang di cikri ni pertai. Mak dalam cikri ni pertai, seai jenguk belai yang ini, ko buat cikri, ko biar kecil sup, hari kecil sup ko dortam, tok uji kau ini pertai. Kau baik sih pun yang jadi kerja lang yang pergi, jadi lang yang pergi kena skor.